हेलो ट्रेडर्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल द ऑप्शन स्नाइपर। तो चलिए आज देखते हैं बैंक निफ्टी कैसे मोमेंटम किया था एंड डिड इट respect our levels, our confident levels which I tried to give you yesterday. And इसके बाद before coming to tomorrow's analysis, I'll even like give you the picture of the trades which I took so that you will come to know how I take a trade at what price action और जब मेरे लेवल्स आते हैं मैं कैसे एंट्री लेता हूँ। तो फिर चलिए शुरू करते हैं एंड तो देखो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बैंक निफ्टी ओपनड एट दिस प्लेस। लेट मी डिलीट दिस। ओके, तो अपना क्या था यहाँ पे कल क्लोज हुआ था। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल माय प्लान वाज अगर ये रेंज में कहीं खुलता है फिर, हाँ, ये जोन में अगर कहीं खुलता है देन देखो अगर ये प्राइस एक्शन बना के इफ इट हिट्स दिस लेवल तो यहाँ से एक 30-40 पॉइंट्स का इजी स्कैल्प बोला था मैं। लेकिन आज हुआ क्या, देखो मार्केट इट ओपनड इन दिस सेम रेंज, राइट, बट एग्जैक्ट सेम लेवल से जो लोअर सप्लाई था। इट इज वेरी क्लियर आफ्टर दिस डाउन मूव दैट देर वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ सप्लाई स्टिल लेफ्ट इन एट दिस जोन, right? So as soon as this zone again got hit, there was some smart money was sitting in who had their sell positions over here and this market stayed below that level. तो अपना जो ऊपर का जो लेवल था 37,700 वो तो कभी हिट हुआ ही नहीं, सो दैट्स ओके। दिस फॉल आई वाज नॉट एंटिसिपेटिंग दिस मच, बट yes हो गया। बट इफ यू नो हाउ टू रीड प्राइस एक्शन देन देयर वाज अ वेरी गुड एंट्री विच यू कुड हैव टेकन। तो वो मैं नहीं लिया, so I'll not discuss it. So let us come to the trades which I took. Okay, if you remember in yesterday's video, we had a level over here which we can find on 3 minutes time frame, which is this level. Okay. I told that whenever this level comes, get price action and buy it. देखो पर हुआ क्या, the supply ये zone में इतना था, first candle this candle low was broken. You could have taken a scalp trade, but it's okay. I was just waiting for this level to be tested and see how market was reacting at this zone. And देखो क्या हुआ यार, एकदम सीधा एक रेड कैंडल बना दिया है जोन से। So does this qualify for a buy? No, not at all. देखो price action should favor it. तो what happened? ये गया and it came down. It again came and retested this zone. Okay, and whenever this type of important zone is, being broken so easily, whenever it gets retested, you can take a good trade. And this trade was very good. Like I couldn't capture most of it, but I captured around, I guess, let me bring up the video. So, yes, this is the video. And I'll tell you where exactly, देखो ये वीडियो में तो दिख जाएगा where exactly I was trying to initiate the trade. देखो as it hit this level ना, I entered with my quantity and generally in scalps I try to book at least 20 points. Okay, so ये गया नीचे, yes, तो जैसे ही यहाँ पे थोड़ा मोमेंटम स्टार्ट हुआ, देखो you will get some momentum and like this was how I took the trade. I took it at 223, so 243, around 240 was my target. 20 points and I got it. देखो कितना ये मोमेंटम करेगा, that I don't want to be sure about it. See, this is my bony trade, and in my bony trade, I just want to, you know, take out some of at least some profit. So as soon as I saw some greens, 20 points, I booked it off. देखो यहाँ पे मैं फिर पोजीशन अपनी क्लोज कर देता हूँ. So that was my first trade over here. It again gave a very good point, very good points, but यहीं पे निकल गया मैं because that was my bonus trade for the day. And that was my first trade. And if we come to the second trade, see, this is where there is an important learning. See, I told yesterday, if you remember, कि this zone, Bank Nifty won't be breaking it. And whenever you get this zone, you can buy calls or you can short puts. And I even told you that you can short in the money puts over here if you are sure. Uh, which level? नहीं शायद यहाँ पे बोला था. But this level was even more confident, right? So you could have easily short puts. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ देखो. Usually how I trade at my levels is there was first candle which tested it. It showed some rejection, but immediately next candle closed. Okay, so now my main aim was to look for a candle which was again trying to close above this one. Why? Because देखो, this is just 3 minutes time frame. Okay, whatever single candle is there, ये सब 3 minute time frame का है. If we look what was going on in 15 minutes time frame, देखो, uh, so this was the level 36,958 to 36,958 will be somewhere around here, right? And 36,867 थोड़ा यहाँ पे कहीं. Okay, so देखो, this candle when it broke, this was still part of this big uh, green red candle in Bank Nifty of 15 minutes. So देखो, generally what happens, this type of levels in bigger time frame, it's like बैंक निफ्टी नेवर वेंट बिलो दिस बिकॉज देखो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, एक कैंडल नीचे गया एंड इमीडिएटली नेक्स्ट कैंडल जस्ट क्लोज्ड अबाउट दिस लेवल. सो दिस इज a move to grab liquidity. So, one day, if you remember in the video, I just showed about this tweezer top pattern. A green candle day high के ऊपर close हुआ, and immediately next red candle closed below this. So it was like Bank Nifty never went above day high, right? तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Similarly in this demand zone, it was like Bank Nifty never came below this zone. आया, फिर चला गया. Okay, so these type of patterns are very important. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Until uh, until this candle, देखो ये candle कहाँ तक था? This, yes, ये red candle तक. This was part of this red candle below, and this next candle started. Okay, so this next candle had to give the entry because इसके बाद का candle we don't care. In 15 minutes time frame, if that pattern has to form, that price action has to form, this is very important. So I was waiting for this level to be broken again on the upside, and so it will be like 15 minutes का time frame, एक candle नीचे आया time frame में, 15 minutes time frame में एक candle नीचे आया, फिर again next candle ऊपर जा रहा है. तो जैसे ये देखो, ये 10:33 का है ना, जैसे ये कैंडल ये लेवल को क्रॉस किया ना, आई एंटर्ड माय कॉल्स एंड माय स्टॉप लॉस इज बिलो दिस. Okay, if you want to play safe, like my quantity was slightly big, so my stop loss was here. Yeah, you can go with this stop loss. I would have waited for this stop loss, but मुझे उतना चांस दिया नहीं बैंक की वेट करने का. तो देखो क्या हुआ, नीचे आया एंड इमीडिएटली इट वेंट अप. इट वाज लाइक बैंक निफ्टी नेवर वेंट बिलो दिस जोन एंड ऊपर गया. दिस वाज अ वेरी गुड ट्रेड. नीचे आया, फिर इट टेस्टेड द एग्जैक्ट लो एंड फिर ऊपर गया एंड फिर से आया एंड अगेन इट टुक दिस सपोर्ट. सो दिस जोन विच वी गेव, दिस कॉन्फिडेंट जोन कि बैंक निफ्टी आज ये तोड़ने वाला नहीं है, एंड इट डिडंट ब्रेक. So that was very good. Okay, so let me come to the recording. So here is the recording. So if you just see, यहाँ पे time क्या हो रहा है? The time of this recording, it was 10:32:58. Okay, and this specific candle, this was forming at 10:33 शायद. 10:33. Yes, this candle started to form at 10:33. So if you compare it with the video, I'll just play it. Okay. So there was 10:33. As soon as this candle touched it, see, I'll just enter my calls. I'm ready with my quantity over here, and नीचे गया. This was this candle, I guess. Probably 10:30. नहीं, first ये क्या हुआ? It came down like this, and then it started going up. ये candle starting. So यहाँ पे भी देखो option price. It came down first, and then it started going up. So yes, it went up. It started going up. देखो यहाँ पे आया this candle, and this is where I'll enter. Started my positions, and as I said, on the spot, this will be my stop loss. Okay, ये starting में तंग किया. देखो ऊपर जाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. अगेन इट वेंट डाउन -7 के. फिर दिस क्वांटिटी इज बिग, सो आपको यहाँ पे थोड़ा लॉस ऐसा दिख रहा है, बट दिस इज नॉट इवन 20 पॉइंट्स राइट नाउ. ओके, एंड दिस इज फाइन. 20 पॉइंट्स भी हिट नहीं हुआ अभी तक. सी 144 में, तो -16 के, 13, 11, and if you just see, देखो, this was like a very good confirmed trade because it went up and this candle was trying to go up. Okay. So this was my conviction on this trade, and yep. So I was playing for target of around this because there was, the structure of this market जो भी यहाँ दिख रहा है, तो यहाँ तक तो इसको जाना था. ठीक है, and there was also VWAP over here, so that was almost coinciding. So that was my target, and देखो, with this quantity, 20, 40 points, 30 points is very good in option scalping. So I was waiting for just this level to get tested. मेरे को पूरा ट्रेंड नहीं पकड़ना, बस मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंट 30-40 पॉइंट्स पकड़ना और निकल जाना है. ठीक है, and I was just checking option chain to see कहाँ कहाँ राइटिंग हो रहा है. And yes, again, so this was the candle. एकदम जबरदस्त कैंडल बना था ये. So if we just fast forward it, yes, it started to show the greens, and you see, I'll just get there अच्छे से. So you see, I'll try to book, as I said, near the VWAP. I'm ready with like 500 quantity to just first sell it off, and I tried. मैं सोचा 300 को थोड़ा होल्ड कर लेता हूँ, बट वहां पे जो स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा था ना यहाँ पे, it was sure that there might come some retracement. I didn't want to miss my profits, so I again, after booking, देखो this spike मारा, क्या spike मारा. I'll exit. Oh, I exit 600 quantity over here, right? I exit 600 quantity over here, and I left the other 200. But यहाँ पे, as I saw this structure, क्या retracement हो सकता है, and also it hit the VWAP from the down. So I exit the remaining quantity over here. यहाँ पे जाके मैं exit it. देखो, in option buying you need momentum to exit, and I'm exiting in market price, right? तो आप जैसे ही ऊपर जाते जाते exit करेंगे, you'll get a very good price while exiting. So I exit my trades when it is in momentum. I don't wait for momentum to fade out, because option buying में क्या होता है, you need that momentum to gain profits, right? So I book it fully. ये बाइंग तो मैं लिया नहीं, but I was trying to take a sell from here. So uh, यहाँ पे और एक I tried a sell trade, and so basically I just wanted to show what went on with today's trading and how I trade at my levels. So इधर भी मुझे बहुत अच्छे trades मिले, and then the momentum faded out, and this was where I guess at 140, this was where my last trade was done. And if you just look at all positions, if I go, yes, so this is the put which I told that I'm carrying in SBI. This went till 13.8, almost 13.8, right? Yes, but I am, my aim is that इसको अगर कल का मूव ये पूरा अगर ये कवर करेगा तो दिस विल गो टिल 17. अगर एक गैप भी फिल कर दिया ना, दैट विल बी वेरी वेरी गुड. So I'm targeting for at least 17 points in this. So I'm just holding it positional. This is SBI 490p SBI का, and like this is the total. देखो 36,900 थी, इसमें मेरे को हाईएस्ट मिला, एंड बाकी पुट्स में स्कैल्प्स में मिला इधर उधर. एंड this was my trading for today. And yes, so I I am like, my idea was that to make you understand how I trade at my level so that it could help you if I'm giving confident levels. देखो price action is the key. देखो कभी कभी क्या होता है, my levels I am so much confident that as soon as it hits it ना, I buy it. Okay, I enter half of the quantity first, and if अगर मेरे को और नीचे मिल जाता है तो I'll enter the rest quantity. Like I said over here, देखो यहाँ पे जब भी बैंक निफ्टी जाएगा ना, तो as soon as it hits, I'll enter my half quantity or maybe three-fourth quantity. I don't know. I'll look at the price action, what is going on, and I'll wait for this upper level to get tested or somewhere ये बीच में, and वहाँ पे I'll enter the rest of my quantity. So at very 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 confident levels on touch I'll enter, but at levels these are also confident, but I just wanted to see how market was reacting at this price. So that was my trading for today. तो कमिंग टू टुमारो, देखो एक चीज तो बहुत क्लियर है कि टुमारो इट विल बी काइंड ऑफ कंफ्यूजिंग, लाइक से, क्योंकि देखो यहाँ पे जो बायर है ना, लेट मी जस्ट माय चार्ट्स. यस, तो यहाँ पे जो बायर बैठा है at this specific price point, he's still in the game or not, maybe, because ये not तो नहीं होगा. क्यों नहीं होगा? I'll come to that. So देखो he so देखो at least he'll try to, if he has his entries over here, he will not book out full profit. देखो उसको इतने दिन लगा है, almost 2 weeks of time, and he won't. तो उसके इतने पोजिशन है, ये अगर उसको एक बार में एग्जिट करेगा ना, दिस टाइप ऑफ मूवमेंट वोंट कम इन द मार्केट. ओके, दैट मूवमेंट विल बी वेरी, क्योंकि उसका अगर बड़ा सेल करना है तो मार्केट ऐसे गिरेगा ऑब्वियसली. बट by looking at the structure of the market, it is evident that yes, there are some positions left for buyer, these buyers over here, specifically this. So for tomorrow, I won't look for sell trades. एक ही जगह देखूंगा जहां पे मैं आपको बताया था अराउंड 37,700, ये लेवल पे मेरा एक लेवल पड़ा है इन 3 months टाइम तक, तो यहीं पे मैं सेल के लिए देखूंगा. I also told you why there were 3 reasons for this zone to work out as a very confident zone for sell. So for selling, this will be the only level which I'll sell at, and I'll come to that again. I'll again revise, show you that level. So according to the buyer sellers, okay, so this buyer is still in the market, and आफ्टर दिस ब्रेकआउट, यहाँ पे एक छोटा गैप था, दिस ऑलमोस्ट तो फिल नहीं हुआ बट दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट फिल टाइप। तो and after this breakout it is sustaining at this level, because that is very important for the next move of the market. अगर ये इमीडिएटली ब्रेकआउट देके एक दिन यहाँ पे रख के फिर इमीडिएटली सेल ऑफ आ जाता ना, तो दैट वुड हैव बीन काइंड ऑफ बैड न्यूज। ओके, बट यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, ब्रेकआउट दिया और ये लेवल पे सस्टेन भी कर रहा है। सो देर आर वेरी हाई चांसेस दैट टुमारो इट माइट गो अप अगेन। बट देखो, डेटा डेटा पॉइंट तो आज अपन देखेंगे नहीं, just by looking at market structure and the price action which is forming, we'll try to analyze, because डेटा आजकल डेटा भी आजकल उतना काम नहीं कर रहा है यार, फूल कर दे रहा है। तो मैं बाई ट्रेड्स देखूंगा यहाँ पे जो भी, आई वोंट सेल मार्केट टुमारो एट दिस। ओके, सो माई अगर मार्केट नीचे जाता भी है ना, तो आई वोंट टेक कुछ, माई आई विल वेट फॉर माई लेवल्स टू कम एंड आई विल बाई एट दोस लेवल्स, because I want to be with someone who is stronger in the market. And right now, I can see that at this specific zone, and this is a learning for all of us. See, if you are with a stronger player, you will survive in the market, and if you rely your positions on the weaker players, so आपको market, everyone will slaughter you. Okay, so just try to be with the stronger players, and trading will be easy. So यहाँ पे stronger player कौन होगा? The specific buyer which we are talking about from the past few days, this person who has bought over here. तो अब देखते हैं बाइंग के लेवल्स कहाँ पे। तो देखो, एक तो लेवल है which isn't tested now, that zone is tested, but I will try to buy by looking at price action forming at this lower level 36,867 का जो लेवल ना, यहाँ पे I'll wait for price action to form। यहाँ पे कैसे price action form कर रहा है, and if price action is pointing towards upside and if I see that yes there is some buying coming in, ये तो कैंडलस्टिक ऐसे ही बनाया हूँ, but price action is important and the structure of that price action is also very important which is forming. So I'll attempt a buy at 36,867. So this will be a less confident buy, I may go with less quantity here. So yes, that is very important. So your quantity should be based on the levels of on the confidence that you have on your levels. So my very good, confident level is where I will enter with my full quantity is this level. जो नीचे आपको दिखाया एक मिनट, this zone. Okay, 36,602, 36,548. Okay, this level is where I'll look to buy confidently. Okay, so this is a good demand zone, and market will react, and there is also fib level which is present. You see this one. Okay, this is like a 50% discount the buyer who is already sitting at this position, so उसको 50% discount मिलेगा, and other buyers will also try to enter the market at a discounted price. So you can attempt a confident buy at this level. And yes, तो downside में this is our level 36,867 and this is the zone. So यहाँ पे buy attempt करूँगा but with less quantity than usual, and this is where I'll attempt a buy with my usual quantity. But important, I'll wait for price action to form. Okay, and if it is favoring, immediately I'll punch my quantity. And that's it for today, and tomorrow's closing will be very important for Bank Nifty. तो कल देखते हैं क्या होता है, and I'll update it in the live market if I'm having or finding some new levels. And guys, if you like this video, if you like my analysis, I would love if you just share this content, because there are many traders who need a type of support. Okay, because my main aim for creating this channel, जो मेरा मेन एम था ये चैनल क्रिएट करने के लिए, वो बस यही था कि लोग मेरे कंटेंट को आके देखें, दे learn something, at least a new point, not 10 new points, but at least one new point every day, and they implement in they implement it in their trading, and side by side उनका earning भी होता रहे. Because I know people come to earn, so learning करते करते अगर एक नया point भी मिल गया मेरे वीडियो में which could change their trading style, I would be very 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 happy for them. तो लर्निंग भी होता रहे एंड साथ में जैसे मैं लेवल्स देता हूँ वहां पे वो लोग ट्रेडिंग करके अर्न भी करते रहे. So this is my motto for creating this channel, and if you share, I am very sure that this would help a lot of traders like us who are in search of good knowledge among, I don't want to take names, but there are some YouTubers who are spreading fake knowledge, और जो फ्री में मिलता है ना, they are taking money from the poor retailers and selling something which is not that worth. Okay, we have come here to learn what is truly worth, and I hope my channel, my analysis is helping you guys to learn. And even if one point is changing your trading style, that is a lot. So, yes, that's it for today. And happy trading, guys. कल मिलते हैं. जय हिंद.